points are in the prediction actually? Do we got enough for this? Fuck, dude, I just closed the
Put it all
chat.
up on the prep table. Heads.
We got enough points in here, right?
17k.
Okay, that's good. All right, this
16K.
is it. This is the flip.
Nish, what is your leg day routine?
Oh shit.
My leg day routine? So I do all bodyweight shit. So my leg day routine is
Heads.
it's like a series of I do Romanian deadlifts with weight.
What was that?
I do like bodyweight Romanian deadlifts
Never
with that
mind,
added
still
weight.
won.
I do reverse Nordic curls. I do calf raises, and I do
Calf raises.
Scam.
Copenhagen
trying to
planks.
stop it on heads.
And that's my usual like routine.
You saw what, dude? I wasn't trying to stop it on anything, dude.
Man, I'm like trying to get the most out of it. Like I want as much of this sauce as I can get. It's so good.
Yeah, dude, that shit is great.
Did someone clip that shit?
You saw what?
Coin flip. At Crypto 8K today was leg day.
Dude,
I
what?
don't
There's
wanna
nothing to
even
clip,
think
dude.
about working out.
Jello
Jello
legs.
legs.
Dude, I gotta open this kimchi up, dude.
But yeah, if you want like my full workout routine, I have it posted in my Discord.
2 minutes and I pay out just trying off. Leg day
Yeah, it was
is
heads.
the worst but the best but the worst fire girl.
Leg day on a Friday.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
I also do a
first-
bunch of single leg squats. I forgot about that. I do a bunch of Bulgarian
Meal
split
deletes the
squats.
buffer.
You also have that. You got a push-up routine, don't you? I paid you to do
didn't
push-ups
want to
once.
sit this weekend.
Yeah, I had to add squats to it because everybody was making me do like 200 push-ups.
Clip it before Camel deletes the VOD? Dude, there's nothing to clip, dude. I didn't rig it. There's nothing, you can't rig the coin flip.
Missing
You can't do it.
on the stream.
Oh, we're missing kimchi? Here you go. Missing kimchi.
Nish, Romanian deadlifts, too good stuff.
Yeah, they're great. They're great, and they're like pretty good for
It
balance
landed
too.
on heads. Then
Wait, what's a
hit it again, and
Romanian
It landed
deadlift?
on heads. Haters
it's-
gonna hate. Not the scam.
You basically like stand on one leg and you keep your leg like perfectly straight, and you like bend your body forward and like kind of create like a T almost, and then to make it harder, you like hold weight. And then there's like a different version that's used for like traditional like weightlifting.
Dude, I can't stop dipping these tots in the sauce.
You're gonna be fucking out of tops.
That shit actually slaps, dude. I might have to cook another batch.
I'm with you, man. Honestly, I got the ingredients for another batch, and I'm thinking about it. I'm probably gonna do that off stream at some point.
I'm out of peppers. I think that's the only thing that I don't have for it.
Give mine my points.
All right, I think my tots are
Is a
good to
dipper
go.
now. Make me
Working on this cheese sauce.
We're dunking, dude. Okay, Cake. Wait, Cake, can you pay out the gambit?
That sauce looks
A
on
ding dang
point.
minute? What happened?
Camel doesn't like bell peppers.
Yeah, but you can't taste them in there. You can't taste them in the sauce. The bell
There's
peppers.
like a little sweetness
I
from the
forgot
peppers.
what we was making.
We're making a Korean chicken bowl, basically. It's got a lot of shit in it, but